Hey, this is my daily summary. So what I managed to do today is to finish this publish plan function. So we are publishing all the components that are being passed with the plan function. So we're getting duration, swarm key, program, and components. We publish all the components. We get the IDs of these components that were just published, and then we update the program. And if you remember, the program here was referencing, when we're creating a new plan, we're just referencing the components. If they're published on chain already, then we can just use the ID of already published component. But if it's a new one that we are sending with this function, then we basically reference it with a minus, so a negative number, so that we know that we have to take it from the components object that is being also passed in this function. So yeah, then we create this, we update the program to point to the real IDs, and then we add also the sponsor ID. And this is now the section that is next that I need to work on. And it means that after the plan is published to the chain, into database, stored into database, it has to go into a priority queue. And in the priority queue, we already have other plans published by other users, and we need to sort them to figure out which one has the highest priority. So when the next hoster is available, we can basically assign them the next item. So we have like some kind of a starter of this priority queue functionality. But yeah, I will have to refine this a bit. In the previous version, we were just like pushing just whatever. We didn't care about the priority. Anyone who published a plan could just get it hosted. But if we will have more requests, of course, we have to somehow handle who has a priority. So yeah, that's my next to do. So if I run this now, I here in the terminal don't log anything else than just like this user setup thing, so that we know which users are and on which local host they're running, because there's like multiple processes running at the same time. And I'm returning here what is the next item. Just wanted to see what this returns. And because we have the only one plan, of course, it returns exactly this plan that we just added to the priority queue. And here I can see all the details about what happened since I ran the whole thing. So it spawned like multiple processes, and then each of these processes did their thing, like registered as for all these roles. And one of them was an author, so it published a new feed. It created a new feed, appended some logs to it, and then a sponsor connected to that user and fetched the data from them. And so let me see, is it here? Here the feed was published. I don't know, it's like a lot of things. So this is basically for debugging, when I need to know like every step what happened, and to see where an error happens, I can then go through. So here, for example, is connected to the author, getting the data, new data feed created, blah blah blah, feed published, and then I don't know, the last thing should be publishing a plan. So yeah, see you tomorrow. That's it for today.